Welcome back to your Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. Where I teach you how to make passive income, start your own business, find gig economy jobs, find work from home jobs where you can make your own dime on your own time and get out to 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And today I'm switching it up a little bit, something different. It's not a driving job that you guys are used to. This is more of a work from home online opportunity to be your own boss and be a virtual assistant, a online tutorer, or a online assistant. So let's get into it. First company called Byron. Hi, Byron. Definitely gonna leave a link to the description down below. Earn money as a virtual assistant, looking for extra work. So pretty much, you can do anything from accounting, setting appointments, sending out emails, everything that somebody may need. You will be an assistant for them. You can work for an hour all the way up to 160 hours a month. Like I said, select your own projects, data entry, scheduling, whatever someone asks, you get to pick and choose what you want to do. And then you get paid every 2 weeks via PayPal, which is awesome. It's linked here in the description. You interview with the person, make sure it's the right fit for both of you guys. If you need any training specific, you can train and then start picking up requests. Once you hit apply, it goes to this screen here where it says typical make between 13 and 17 an hour, which is not a whole lot, but it's all good. And then you just put your information down here. LinkedIn, phone number, city, state, experiences, and all that good stuff. What fields you want to work in, what you can do, any extra special skills you have. I guess the more skills you have, the more money you can make. And you hit submit, and then you're in their system. That's it. Next, we have Cambly. Tutor with Cambly. So basically, you tutoring people around the world, get paid. If you're a proficient English speaker, you don't have to be teaching certified, nor do you have to have a bachelor's degree to become a tutor. As long as you can speak English, you can get paid, earn per minute, $10 an hour, 12 for kids, get paid every Monday. So this is something I would say more for younger people, $10 an hour. Not really paying too many bills, but if you need some part-time income, side hustle, this is a great side hustle to do. Especially you can probably do this overnight, link up with some kids in different countries, and teach them how to speak English. Let's see if we got anything about how to get started. You got to make an account, and then you're in the system, and you're ready to go. Last but not least, we have a company called ClickWorker. Work from home opportunity. Work on your computer as you go. Profit from team talent. ClickWorker. Internet users. Basically, you're going to different websites, different pages, different apps. Make sure nothing is spelled incorrect. Make sure the sizing and everything is correct. You're pretty much like a user experience tester. Make sure things are neat, organized on people's websites and texts and apps and things of that nature. If you're good at proofreading, this is great for you. They also have surveys you can do to make money. You can also edit people's text, insert words, take out words, whatever you want to do for this. So this is ClickWorker. Don't really see app testing, photo capturing, video recordings. Like I say, everybody always call me when I'm doing a video. And then best benefits, this is how it works. Sign up, ClickWorker, get paid weekly or monthly, depending on how much you work. You probably got to hit a payment threshold before you get paid out.